What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are on a mission to spot regular polygons. These shapes are everywhere, from stop signs to soccer balls. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to tell if a shape is regular or irregular and use some powerful math vocabulary to explain it. Math isn't just numbers, it's the power to solve any problem. And let's unlock that power today. So to get started, we want to introduce some vocab. So we have line segment. The definition of line segment is a straight path between 2 points. Polygons are made up of line segments. For example, 2 points, line. This would be called line segment A, B. Okay? Polygon is a closed shape made up of line segments. Maybe like a hexagon. And each of these points and the lines in between are line segments. Alrighty. Vertex is a corner where 2 line segments meet. That would be considered the vertex. That's a 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 vertex. These are all vertices. These are all vertices, which is the plural of vertex, more than one corner. So this would be a vertex, but 2 or more would be called vertices. Okay? Angle is the space between 2 line segments at a vertex. An angle is the space between 2 line segments at a vertex. This space is considered the angle. Blank degrees. Show the degree symbol. We're going to say that this is 25 degrees. Not degree like temperature, degree like measurement. A regular polygon is a polygon where all sides and angles are equal. Like a square. This square is kind of ugly. Yeah. Oh. Say hi to the students.
Hi, everybody.
So a regular polygon is a polygon where all sides and angles are equal. Sides and angles. For instance, a triangle. But not this ugly triangle. It would be a straight and equilateral triangle. Let me try a square. Something like that. I know it's ugly. Work with me. An irregular polygon is a polygon where sides and angles are not equal. For instance, something like this. Something like this. Something like this. Okay. Congruence. When 2 figures have the same shape and size, like this square and this square, this rectangle and this rectangle, this triangle and this triangle. Congruent, 2 sides or angles that are exactly the same. For example, like that, like that, like that, or even like that. These little hash marks, they're called hashes or hash marks, are used to show congruency. Whichever side has the same hashes, it means that those 2 sides are congruent or exactly the same. To the best of your ability, which is a regular polygon? Is it the rectangle or is it the square? Remember, a regular polygon is a polygon where all the sides and angles are equal. These 2 sides are not the same as these 2 sides, but all 4 of these sides are the same. So the square is the regular polygon. Good job. Regular polygons are fair shapes. Every side is congruent and every angle is congruent. A square has 4 equal sides. Okay. A regular hexagon has 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. These are angle hashes. Angle hashes. Same as the normal hashes, but they just show the angles that are congruent. An equilateral triangle looks something like this. All 3 sides are equal. All 3 angles are equal to each other. But not all polygons are regular. Is a rectangle regular? No, because these 2 are the short sides and these 2 are the long sides. But all the sides and the angles have to be equal for it to be a regular polygon. What about a scalene triangle? An acute triangle? An obtuse triangle? Equilateral triangle is the only one. Right triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. These are all different, right? So not regular, not regular, not regular. Yes, regular. Please don't talk trash about my drawing. It is regular because all the sides and angles are the same. Okay. What about this shape? A trapezoid has only one pair of congruent sides. Is it regular? These 2 are the same. That one's different, and then that one gets 3 because that one's more different. Is it regular? No, because for it to be regular, all the angles and all the sides have to be equivalent. So no, a trapezoid is not a regular polygon. True or false? In a regular polygon, all sides and angles are congruent. True. All sides and angles are congruent. Let's review. A polygon is a closed shape made of line segments. Vertices are the corners and angles from each vertex. A regular polygon has all sides and angles congruent. An irregular polygon does not. So next time you see a stop sign, you'll know that's a regular octagon.